Today everything is the color blue. My shirt is blue, the sky is blue, and also the details of my new ukulele are blue. Pretty cool. Here's the song. Don't you feel it growing day by day? People getting ready for the news. Some are happy, some are sad. You gotta let the music play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do if you know how. Gotta get a message, get it all through. Oh mama, don't you ask me why. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Like a lazy floating river, surrounding castles in the sky, and the crowd is growing bigger, listening for the happy sounds, and I gotta let them fly. Oh, oh. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Listen to the Music by Doobie Brothers on the ukulele. That's a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. All the time. Okay, for this song the most important thing is the groove, so I'll try to explain this first. So we'll start on the chord of F, but up here barring on the 5th fret, and with the pinky right here on the 8th fret of the A string. But for now, let's forget the pinky. We'll just do the bar. We start actually on the 4th fret, and we slide it to the 5th, and actually I'm avoiding the A string. I'm trying to focus more on the C and E string. All right? This is the sound we are aiming for. And after this, I'm doing one up strum, like this, and then putting the pinky here on the 8th fret, and then doing down, up, down, up. So, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, this is the first part, and the second part again starts from bar on the 4th fret, sliding it to the 5th fret. But after that, instead of putting the pinky on the 8th fret of the A string, we grab the chord of B flat. Okay? So. And on the last step, we are removing these two fingers again. So. All right, with a little bit of tempo. Maybe you notice that I'm doing muted strums here and there. It's not necessarily just helping me keeping the rhythm. I am doing it kind of unconsciously, and they're not every time on the same place actually. So it's hard to really explain what I'm doing there. But the ones that I have written down are the main ones that you should always play. So we're using this for the intro, for the interlude, and also the verse starts with the same thing. So let's start with the intro and we'll go to the verse. One more time intro. And now verse. Don't you feel it growing day by day. Again, the F. People getting ready for the news. And here we go to D minor. And I'm changing the strumming a little bit. It's something like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And on the first up strum, I'm adding the pinky here on the 4th fret. And then releasing it on the next down. All right? This is a little detail. It's not necessary to do it, but I just like how it sounds. Actually, the bass is playing this tone, so it's making the arrangement a little bit fuller. And I'm doing this strumming pattern for the next few chords, and always on the first up strum, I'm adding a little variation with the pinky on a different place of the fretboard, of course. So, and then on C, again with the pinky, here on the 5th fret of the C string, then B flat here, again with the same thing with the pinky. You gotta let the music play. So let's see how it goes, the whole thing. Don't you feel it growing day by day? People getting ready for the news. Some are happy, some are sad. You gotta let the music play. Get into the interludes. Then second verse the same. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do if you know how. Gotta get a message and deliver with the groove. Oh mama, don't you ask me why. And here on the second verse, we're not going through B flat. Immediately we go to the chorus, which starts with D minor 7, which is just barring on the 5th fret. And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Something like this. And then going to B flat, down here. Then back to D minor 7 to B flat, again D minor 7 to B flat. And on the 4th time, G7, and then B flat. With little detail here on the A string, I'm doing 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, getting back to the main. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music all the time. And after the second chorus, we go to the bridge, which starts like this, F, but I play it down here, like a lazy floating river, to E flat, ooh, to B flat. Surrounding castles in the sky, back to F, and again, ta-da, and the crowd is growing bigger, B flat, and here we have to build up a little bit. Listening to the happy sound, and I gotta let them fly. Oh, oh, listen to the music. And we go to the chorus, which just repeats itself a few times, and the song fades out. Listen to the music all the time. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music all the time. Then you can finish it on a F like this. Alright, I think this sums up my tutorial for Listen to the Music. It's a pretty cool song. It will be helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Also, that way you're supporting the channel. Thank you very much for doing so. Thank you for watching this till the end. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.